welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make the most delicious peri peri chicken. To get started, I already went ahead and prepped and washed the chicken really well. I'll be using some leg quarters, some breast and wing. I have some thyme, rosemary, garlic, ginger, onions, some red chilies and serrano peppers. I also have some apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, oil, lemon zest, smoked paprika, some tomato paste, as well as seasoned salt, chicken bouillon, and some sugar. So to get started, you want to create the marinade for the chicken by blending all of the ingredients. You want to blend until nice and smooth, or you can blend it chunky if you like. Once we're done, you want to add the marinade to the chicken. Mix it in really well. Make sure that the chicken is nicely coated with that marinade. And I will let mine marinate overnight. But you don't have to do that. You can go ahead and cook it right away or allow it to marinate for a few hours. Fast forward to the next day, I did take my chicken out of the fridge about an hour prior so it could come up to room temperature. Next, you want to place your chicken into your baking dish, or if you want to use a cast iron skillet like I'm doing, you could go ahead and do that. I did grease my skillet before adding the chicken. Once all the chicken is added, we will cover with some foil wrap and we place this in a 400-degree oven for about 1 hour. After about 1 hour, this is how the chicken is looking. Next, we will remove the cover and place this back into the oven uncovered. And we will allow it to cook for about 30 more minutes so the chicken can brown up nicely. The last 5 minutes, you can set the oven on boil. And this is what we have here. Absolutely delicious. It smells amazing. And it is one of the best peri peri chicken recipes you will ever try. You know me, I like to go in with my fresh parsley for a pop of color and brightness, and that's it. Now I did serve this up with some saffron rice and some southern style green beans, and let me tell you, it was amazing. My entire family enjoyed it. I really hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your girl. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day and bye.